Okay, so here is a problem where I'm being asked to find the equation of the tangent line at x equals negative 2. And I've already done a little bit of pre-work to decide how I'm going to solve this problem. Since I know that it's asking me for the equation of a tangent line, and I know that tangent lines are linear, I'm going to be trying to figure out a line that's in point-slope form. And in order to write point-slope form equation, you need to have a point, and you need to have the slope. This point was not given to me, but they did give me the x value of that point. So when I plugged negative 2 into this function, I learned that the output was negative 1. From here, I need to find the slope. But the slope of a tangent line should ring a bell in your head as the derivative. So what I needed to do is find the derivative of this function at the specific point x equals negative 2. And I've already gone ahead and done a lot of that work. So my first point was negative 2, negative 1. My second point was negative 2 plus a value of h, which made my second output what I get when I take that expression and use it as an input in the original function. From there, I took the limit as h goes to 0 of the slope of that secant line, and the math follows from there. And then through some careful algebra, you get to a point where you learn that the limit as h goes to 0 of that function at x equals negative 2 is negative 11. Because our limit was negative 11, that means that the slope of the tangent line is negative 11. And so now I have everything I need in order to go back and actually answer the question that was being asked, which was to find the equation of the tangent line at x equals negative 2. So remember, to find an equation, you need to have a 1 point and 1 slope. The point comes from the original function values, and the slope of the tangent line is going to come from the derivative of that original function. So to just put it all together here, my final answer would be y equals negative 11 times x plus 2, because normally it's x minus x1, but since x1 is negative, it'll become x plus 2 minus 1. And because the slope of this line is negative, it tells me that this function at negative 2 is also decreasing.